That dreaded message. You click your Wi-Fi, type in the right password, and Windows just says, "Can't connect to this network." You know the password is correct, but it just won't let you in. Don't worry. This is one of the most common and fixable Wi-Fi problems. In this guide, we'll work through a checklist of proven solutions, from the quickest fixes to the more advanced, until we get you back online. Let's get started. Step 1. The universal first step, restart modem and router. First, restart your router and modem. Unplug both from power. Wait 30 seconds. Plug the modem in first. Wait for all its lights to settle. Then plug the router back in. Wait another minute and try connecting Wi-Fi again. If still facing same problem, now restart your computer. A simple restart can clear temporary network glitches. Give it a try. Step 2. Forget the network and reconnect. If a restart didn't work, this is often the golden fix. Click the Wi-Fi icon in your taskbar, then click More Wi-Fi Settings. Under Network and Internet Settings, click Manage Known Networks. Find the problematic network in the list, click it, and select Forget. Now, search for the network again from a list, click Connect, and re-enter the password carefully. Step 3. Renew your IP address and flush DNS. Search for CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Now type ipconfig/release and press Enter to release IP address. Now type ipconfig/renew and press Enter to renew IP address. To flush DNS server, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter key. Now reset IP. Type net/int IP reset and press Enter key. After the last command, restart your computer. This gives you a clean slate for network connections. Step 4. Update or reinstall your wireless driver. Search Device Manager and open it. Now find Network Adapter option. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your wireless adapter and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. If that doesn't work, go back, right-click the adapter again, and this time select Uninstall Device. Check the box that says Attempt to remove the driver software if you see it. Click Uninstall. Restart your computer. Windows will automatically reinstall a fresh driver upon reboot. Step 5. Change roaming aggressiveness settings. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, then click Properties. Now click Configure button. Then go to the Advanced tab. Look for a property named Roaming Aggressiveness. If selected value is lowest, then change it to medium or high and press OK button. Step 6. Disable MAC filtering in router. If you still can't connect, the issue might be with the router settings. MAC address filtering. Is your router set to only allow specific devices? Log into your router and check the MAC filtering settings to ensure your computer's address is allowed or disable MAC filtering. One of these steps, most likely forgetting the network or updating the driver, should resolve the "can't connect to this network" error for good. If this guide helped you to fix your Wi-Fi issue, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more tech fix. Thanks for watching.